Hi guys, welcome to your own Adobe Illustrator class. In this video, I am going to show you how to create design through Blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. This is going to be very interesting and very useful video. Let's start with the blend option. Here is the blend option. W is the shortcut key for blend option. There is another way to use the blend option. Go to the object, there is an option blend. Inside blend there is so many options. We learn all the options here. So start with a blend tool. First we need minimum 2 objects for effective use of blend tool. So we'll go to make a 2 different object. So first we'll go to the pen tool and make the 2 different object. For example, we'll make a straight line. One line will make, then again selection tool and copy this line and paste it. These are the 2 objects. Now we'll select this object and this object. The thickness of this object is 10 pt. Will decrease into the 0.25 and this is 10 pt. So one is thin line and one is thick line. We select both the lines and go to the object. There is an option called blend. Inside blend, make, click on the make. When we click on the make, this type of blend is going. Thick line, thin line to thick line, or you may reverse thin line to thick line. So this is a one kind of a stripe design. In fashion design we have to make so many stripe design. This is the one kind of a stripe design. Or you can now you can change any color. We select the outline color and change any color. You can make any color of these lines. One more practice, we go to the pen tool, make a straight line, again copy this line, and now we have to go and make a blend tool. Go to the object, there is an option called blend, make. So it's easy way to make a stripe design. Select this a stripe and go to the blend option, double click on the blend option. There is a specified steps is there. There are 22 steps inside the 2 lines. So we can increase or decrease the steps from here. We'll put 44 and click OK. So it's like 44 objects are there. Again we have to go to the blend options. We'll click on the smooth color, then press OK. Now the color is changed. It's also a different kind of stripes. Again we have to click, and there is another option called a specified distance. We can measure the distance. It's 1.44 mm. We can increase or decrease the distance from here. Then press, we can press preview. It's totally blend kind of thing. 10 mm put and then preview. It's increased the distance. Now we can specify the distance of each line from here. It's very easy tools to make a different kind of stripes. We can also change in this stripe. We will select this stripes and go to the blend option, click on a specified steps or a smooth color, then press OK. It will be going like this. This is another way of making the stripe, thinner to thicker, or it's also blend the 2 colors. So this is the one way of making the stripe. We'll minimize it and side it so that we can use a space for another experiments. Move to the another interesting use of blend tool. So we'll go to the shape tool and select the ellipse tool. Make a small circle, press shift and make a small circle. It's a small circle, and again we copy and paste the small circle, one circle here and one circle here. We can select both, and here is the option for align. So we'll also align this too, and we'll make one circle is smaller than one circle is bigger and one circle is smaller. We select the both circle, go to the object, inside object there is a blend and make. When we click on make, it's blend the two object, a smaller circle to bigger circle. Then go to the blend tool, double click, here is the specified steps. We change the steps into let's say 50 steps, and then preview. It decreases the steps, we can more decreases the steps into 35, and then press OK. Let's see guys, it's a different kind of designs are there. It's bigger to a smaller. We can make different things from here. We can also copy and paste from here. And Control D for again copy and paste. Likewise, we'll make a design, or after making the copy paste, we can also align the object, so it's a line, it's in a straight line. Or we'll use this design in a different object, or we can change the any color from here. Now we go to make the different designs from this. So go to the shapes or is line tool. There is a option called a spiral tool. We'll make one a spiral like this. We'll make a spiral. We can change the color, any color we can change, and select any one. So we'll select this one and select this one. We have to select this as spiral and this one design, and go to the object option called blend. Inside the blend there is a option called replace a spine. When we click on replace a spine, all this dotted design replace with this spiral lines. Now here is the bigger circle is inside and lower smaller circle is outside. We can change interchange also, so that the smaller circle is inside and bigger circle is outside. Let's see how well done. Select this option and go to the object. There is a option in blend, reverse a spine. We click on the reverse a spine, it's going to be reverse, so that it for this method we can make a different kind of design. Now move to blend two different kind of shapes. Go to the ellipse tool and make a ellipse here. Press shift to make a perfect circle, not ellipse, it's circle. Fill the color, and then we'll make a different we're going to make a stars, so we'll make a star. Then select both the object. We can change the both the colors. Maybe the outline color is none. Here also we'll put outline color is none, and this is no color. Then we'll blend these two objects. Select one object, press shift key and select second object. Then go to the object, inside object blend and make. So we can blend these two objects with two different colors. Now after blending this, we can change the shape of both the objects. So for changing the shapes, we go to the second selection tool, that called direct selection tool, and double click on any point, and we can now change the shapes. Here also it's a circle, we can change the shape like this. Here we can also change the shape like this. We can change the shapes and change the object. It's also blend our colors, and it's also blend our different kind of shapes into one shape. This is the beauty of blend tool. We'll make next experiment with different lines, like we'll draw some lines. We'll draw maybe these lines and any random lines. Now this time we will this color cancel, will no color, the fill color is no color, and outline color maybe the, you can choose any color, outline colors. So this is the one color, and we'll make another line, another any shape you can draw. We'll change, and we'll change the color of these lines to blue, and this is orange kind of color. Then we'll select two different shapes and go to the object, inside object, blend, make blend. This is a different kind of blend. Here our color is also blending, and this is the different kind of lines are there. We can move and change the lines. After that, select the direct selection tool and select last line, and we can change the designs from here also. This is the beautiful design we can make through this blend tool. This is the powerful tool in Illustrator, so we can make any kind of designs very easily. This overlapping makes a different beauty of different lines, so we can do also. This is all about blend tool and their uses. If you like the video, just like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more design related videos. In the next video, I will be back again with some vital informations. Till that time, stay safe, stay connected, and keep smiling. Thank you. Bye bye.